given by Bhavesh. So whichever is the promo category, the sketty will be there automatically in the playout. So whenever there is a promo,
Yeah,
it is
sorry, yeah, I need 2 minutes, please. Sorry, 2 minutes to get this. Sorry.
uh, so, yeah. So yeah, I was trying to say that as per the logic given by the playout, Bhavesh. So wherever there is a promo, there is a promo event type, so it will automatically detect and add a sketty over it in the playout. Ali, if you have any specific different logic for the sketty markers, we can also configure them so that you don't have to apply the
Actually, now we start asking our agency to send us the commercial agency to send us what server you already used. They already used at the Scotty, but until now we don't have any reply. So we need to start understand how can we insert this Scotty, and once they shared with us the information, I will share this information with you. So we need to make something like explain to us very lightly how can we insert this Scotty inserter uh, at the playlist. Okay.
Sorry, we have. I have a question in this part.
Mhm.
Please.
As as you see here, the setting time of the items. There is a notification message about underrun and overrun.
Right.
Right.
This is according to the planning timing, correct?
Correct.
If I export the Excel sheet or the CSV sheet, it will be aligned with the planning timing, not the actual time of the playlist.
No, this is the planned and the actual time, right? So currently, let's say this program is planned at 00 and the next is at 1, right? But
Sometimes, yes, sometimes we need to set the time of a specific program to be underrun according to overbooking in the commercial spots. So we aren't committed to the timing in the planning 100%, you know.
yeah, no problem. So Ibrahim, I'll give you an example. Let's say you have these promos, right?
Yes,
Let
I will fill the underrun. Yes, I see.
Mhm. Correct.
But 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 I mean, we sometimes need to set the time of the specific program underrun already, not according to the planning timing. We
Means
need it to be
you need
flexible and cumulative,
correct.
cumulative time.
You need to change the start time, right, of the show. Next show means.
Yes.
Yeah, so that also you can do if you want to change the. Let's say this is currently at 1. If you want to change the start time, there are multiple options. I'll show you. So one is if you can change the start time. Like instead of 1, you can change the start time to let's say 1:05. Correct. That also you can do.
I want it actual. I want it actual timing according to the underrun.
This is the actual timing of the show because you have planned it at 00. The next show you have planned at 1, but the actual content is 30 minutes. So it is showing you
Yes.
the 29 minutes underrun. This is
Okay, so I have to set it manually through the edit.
no. So that is why I was saying that multiple options. One is if you can change the start time to let's say instead of 1 you can make it 00:45 as well if you have only 15 minutes of fillers. Also, there is an option you can delete this. You can delete this underrun. So you say
Yes,
delete.
delete.
If you delete this underrun or any overrun, it will change the start time of next show. You see, this went to 30.
Yes, it will be actual timing,
Correct, correct,
cumulative through the durations in the schedule. Okay.
correct. This is the actual timing.
So I
Now,
have to delete the underrun and the overrun.
correct. And also, like once you have done the complete playlist, it's not like you have to do one by one. There is an option in here. Once you have done the playlist, you see like okay, there is a 1 minute underrun, 1 minute overruns, 30-second underrun overruns which you want to delete. So there is an option here, delete all footer. So it will
Yes.
ripple the complete playlist. So all complete playlist, it will delete the underrun and overruns, and accordingly it will push pull the next shows in the complete sequence. So complete rundown will be rippled and it will be joined according to the actual timings.
Okay, I got it. Second question, please, about the CSV file exported through your system. Uh, I can't see the title column,
So
although it
now
appears here.
we have added, we have integrated a new format with the playout. So in that you'll get the title column as well. So I'll
Okay,
show you.
and the frames and the frames as well,
The frames as
because
well.
I didn't see. Yes, I didn't see in the duration the frames, only hours, minutes, seconds.
So that Bhavesh can confirm. Puneet, in the format given, it was only HHMMSS. So that's why we have not passed the frames in the playlist. So Bhavesh, can you confirm?
Frames is already available here. HHMM, SS, and like milliseconds.
Sorry.
Frame, hello. Millisecond is available. Frame is not available. I think it's not possible. Can you?
Yes, we can hear you. Puneet, can you?
But your voice is very low, Bhavesh. I don't know.
Hello.
Yeah.
And now I am audible, sir.
Hello.
Now I am audible, sir.
Yes, yes. Please.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Uh, millisecond is available, but we need to check about frames. I don't think frame is.
Okay, you can check with the team, and we can update the format accordingly.
Okay.
Right. So Ali and Ibrahim, the thing is, in the format given by the playout team, it was only HHMMSS. That's why we were passing only HHMMSS. Once they configure the frame setting as well in the playout format, so we will append the frames as well in the CSV. Because they are
Yes,
in
and
the
the title.
correct. They are in the frames are there in the system. It according to, so that Bhavesh will confirm. So Bhavesh, you can make a note of it, and after the meeting you can check with the team and
Sure.
So there are two notes for you, Bhavesh. One this and one for that GMT time.
GMT time. GMT time
Yeah.
I will do it.
And yeah.
Yes, noted, sir.
Ali, I remember that there are a couple of more inputs from your side last time, which you noted on the document, which we need to do. Can you share those particular thing as well, so that
Yes,
in
yes.
one shot
After
we
this
can make all the
meeting,
changes? Yeah.
yes. After this meeting, we will share with you all this
Yes.
point,
Yes.
all
Yes.
the
Yes.
point we need to modify it as a system. Okay.
Exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else, Ibrahim?
Just a second.
ابراهيم انت شايف اللي هم عاملينه ده، هم حطوا now والnext to later. اوكي، وهم مسجلين فيديو
Yes.
ل how to insert ال now والnext to later. بص عليها ولو عندك اسئله ارجع له.
تمام. تمام، اوكي. كنا عايزين
اوكي.
نسأل في حتة لو احنا يعني هنموف فورورد مع البوس، حتة ان السي اس في فايل اللي اكسبورتد من عندهم لازم يبقى كومباتبل مع سامع.
سامعك يا ابراهيم. ها، compatible مع هارس.
مع يعني نفس التمبلت، نفس المابنج بتاع الكولومز.
اوكي،
يعني
تقدر
لو
تبعت
انت
لنا
عايز
اكزامبل
حتى،
لشكل الفايل؟
لو عايزنا اشير السكرين وافتح لهم الفايل ده والفايل ده، اوكي.
لا، ابعت لنا الفايل اللي بيطلع دلوقتي من البي تي اس وانا هخليهم يعملوا ادابت عليه.
اوكي،
خلاص.
ثانية في حاجة.
اوكي،
Okay.
guys, we have an issue now to integrate with the Imagine playout system. So now we working with the BTS. So we have the setup from the BTS. We have the format already read it at our online server. So now we need your system to adapt to generate the same file to send it directly to our playout. Or if you have any success story to integrate with the Imagine, please told us about this story.
Vishal, this is, I think, related to scheduling
Yeah,
system.
yeah,
We're
yeah,
talking about the integration between your scheduling system and our layout system.
Okay, 1 minute, Ali. I'm asking Robin as well to join in so that he's the right guy to answer it well. But in the meantime, is it possible for you to share that particular file, which your version of
Yes,
BTS is
Ibrahim will share. He will share now with you the version from one channel. We already have the integration between the BTS and this file and the sorry Imagine system. So we will share with you the output from the BTS now.
Yes, yes,
ابراهيم
please.
لو سمحت ابعت لهم الفايل لو سمحت.
اوكي، ابعته على جروب الواتساب.
حالا بعد اذنك واكتب عليه Imagine اوت اوتبوت سكادول او وات يعني وضح
او بي
عشان
تي
نبقى
اس.
عارفين هم بيستخدموه او
ماشي،
بي تي اس اوتبوت.
تمام، ثانيه واحده.
اوكي
Okay, so Ibrahim, are you sending it right away so that we can have a look at it?
اوكي he will he will share with you the file now.
Okay.
Okay, just a second. Okay, I sent the two versions of the PTS schedule and your post schedule.
هم ماشي اوكي. ما تعملش كده بعد كده يا ابراهيم، هم عندهم السيستم بتاعهم. ابعت لهم اللي عندك بس عشان ما يحصلش لخبطه.
تمام، ثانيه دلت التاني، استنى اهو.
Send one file for the BTS. Please don't make any
Okay.
conflict.
Done.
Ali, this is the file, right, which is on my screen.
ده الفايل يا ابراهيم. this is the file.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
هو ايه الاسود ده يا حبيبي؟
دي الحفلات اللي بيسقطها عبد العزيز مانوال في الاكسلايه، فهو
طب ما تبعت لهم
بيديها.
قناه ستريت.
عايز مثلا سينما، ثانية واحدة.
Okay, drop this sheet. We will share with you one sheet for the straight channel. This channel with the live program and the other modification. So first we
Okay.
need the feature, basic feature working, and then we can enhance.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, share with them, Salima, please. One of our Salima's channels.
Okay.
So, Ali Ibrahim, I think Vishal can show you how to create a fast channel very quickly, like, the 24 hours. Instead of we going making drag and dropping manually each and everything, the promos and everything. Vishal, if you can show that. Also, Peter, you can record that. It's very easy,
Right. Right.
nothing challenging.
Right. Right. So we.
Peter, please
Okay.
record it so you can send this also.
Recording is on, Robin.
Okay. So Ali, on the imagine discussion part, so that is like you will share the format and we will replicate it from the boss system. Correct?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So now two things we need to show, Robin. One is the fast playlist, and the second one is uh, the the program edition, which we discussed with Ali in the last meeting. So we'll start with the fast. Okay. So Ali, I'll show you. Shift it downwards. Okay. So let's say Ali, this is your uh, empty schedule, right? Only having segments. So the programs are planned only. Correct. So using fast segment feature, fast playlist feature, there is a format option where basically you can create a like autofill for BMS, right? Where I have added 7 segments because I have the maximum of 7 segments in my playlist. Correct. Now, what I have done, I have some variation blocks. So in the top, I have added. So variation block is like I am creating some containers and adding them in the autofill format, so that out of these auto items, out of every block, each variation is a block. It will pick some items automatically for the scheduling, right? So I will first show you the variation part. Then I think it will be better. So like this, I have created an ident block. So I have added my idents. I can add my idents, or I can tell the system to automatically fetch from the library the idents. Right? Both ways it is possible. If I want to define, I can define. Otherwise, I can tell the system automatically take it. Okay. So let's say I have defined some idents. There is an ident block. Then I have created a promo block. Right? Added these. Then I have created a these filler block. Added these. And then I have added this manage under and over block, where I have again added these fillers, right? So I have created some blocks. Now when I go to format, I tell the system that okay, this is my autofill format, and I am arranging those same blocks, dragging and dropping into the schedule. So first block is here for the idents, then promos block after every segment, right? And last under and over block which we have created in the variation. Now, when I go to the schedule, I can tell the system that automatically fill my playlist basis on the autofill format and the blocks I have created. So if I click on the fill playlist, it will work. And so it has added some random fillers from the each block. After you see ident is there on the top, and then there are some fillers, right?
Okay, Sheikh Ibrahim.
And then it has
اه
packed the
شايف
rest of the duration. For the rest of the duration, it has added the fillers which we have defined in the variations. So it, if you can give us like the algorithm or the format sequence you follow, we can try and replicate it using our boss AI feature. and it will generate a automatic playlist for you, so that with a single click of a button you can create your complete playlist, which will eventually take a lot of save a lot of time. Post that, post that, we are doing the integration with the playout system, so that you don't have to export the file and then download the file and then you have to import it into the playout system. Instead that you will get an option, like you get an option here like push playlist. So when you'll get the option push playlist, you just have to click that button. Playlist will automatically be downloaded in the backend and it will send it to the playout system automatically via API integration. So that also we are doing.
Okay. Do you have the API integration with Imagine?
Not with Imagine,
Okay.
but we have
So he
for
will
them.
download the file and send it by mail with a
Correct, correct,
traditional way.
correct for the Imagine. Correct. But with MFast, we have it.
Okay. And for the Imagine, we have the some translators put some orders for the on air graphic. So also this is will be something like a mystery for us. How can we integrate with this
So,
transcoder for
so
the
you
playlist
have
and
already
then
done
we
with
send?
BTS, right? You have already done with BTS, right?
Sorry, your voice not clear.
I'm saying, Ali, you have already done with BTS, right? BTS is using it, right?
Yes, yes, we send now the file. And Ibrahim, also please send them the same file after the translator is finished.
Correct, correct, correct. If we get that, we will replicate it. That's not an issue.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. What else, Ibrahim? Do you have another questions?
Yes, in the play outside, can we loop a specific time interval without the need of the push traffic system?
Can we select a block
If I
to
schedule
repeat
for, yes.
on the air again?
Hello, sorry, come again. Bhavesh, can you hear?
Okay. Can we select some items to replay this item by the your playout without using without go back to the scheduling system again?
Looping? You mean looping? You are
Looping, yes.
yes.
Yes. Show us,
Yeah,
please.
Bhavesh, looping is possible, right?
No, you can. Yeah, sir. We can copy and paste the schedule again.
سامع يا ابراهيم تقدر تاخدها
Okay.
زي الكلاينت بتاع الهوا بتاع ايماجن كوبي بيست وتلعبها هتتلعب.
تمام،
Sorry.
ما
Come again.
انا عارف الكوبي بيست، بس كنت بسأل على ان احنا يعني without the need of copy paste، يعني just check multiple items and right click looping for 2 times, 3 times, 4 times
But basis on
Yeah,
what?
without the need of
But
copy
basis on what? What is
paste.
the
But
base in?
it's okay, it's okay,
Hello.
لا no need for this feature
it's okay.
يا ابراهيم.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Is it good to go?
Okay. Do you have another question, Ibrahim?
Just a second here.
So later also, if you get any query, you can jot it down or you can share on group.
No.
Right? It's not specific that we discuss all the queries on the call. Whenever you feel you have a query,
Yes,
yes, immediately you can
the
post
last
and you will
question
get the
about
answer.
the live programs.
Yeah.
The live programs we have, how
Mhm.
we can deal with the codes of the live programs
Record.
instead of the code live 00101. We can handle the live program codes with a
عايز تقول ايه يا
specific
ابراهيم؟ عايز تقول ايه يا
unique
ابراهيم؟
code. يعني برامج الهوا مثلا يا هلا وكوره وسيدتي والكلام ده، عايزين نديهم كود مثلا خاص بيهم، يعني يا هلا واي اتش، سيدتي اس واي، بدل
Okay,
ما هم
guys,
بيجنريتوا
we
عندهم
have the
بكود لايف.
daily. Okay, okay, right. We have the daily live show in our playlist. So, can we create something like live code for each program to create the new episode from the H1 daily? Can we do it?
In scheduling system or playout?
Uh, from the scheduling system and the layout, both.
You can schedule the live colon in playout scheduling system, and
And for that, they need to provide the live source as well, right, Havish?
live source as well. Live input a set
So,
option is there. Then it will
Ali,
configure.
Ali, the playout is capable of taking a live as an ingest, right? There are certain format which we do support as a live ingest. Bhavesh, which are those? HLS?
HLS
Okay.
and
To
UTP,
understand, to don't make
ITMP.
any
Yeah.
confused, guys. Now we're talking about the scheduling system, your scheduling system.
Mm-hmm.
So not the layout, your scheduling system. Now I using your scheduling system today, and then I have 5 or 4 daily live show. It will be in our playlists. How can I make the live code? How can I create live code for program A and program B and program C as this at your scheduling XLP? Can you?
Vishal, you
Sorry, you have the voice. I can't hear you. Okay, thank you. So, how can you show us how can we create this live code, the code for the live program at your scheduling system?
Correct,
Keep
correct.
the
So
fast
for
channel
the
now.
live as well, I'll show you. I'll configure one caller. Okay. So here, if you have a live program, let's say if I create a live program, so we can create a content for live, and it will generate the codes in an incremental manner, right? So this is the code creation, number one. And when the program will be scheduled in the plan, let's say if I go to planning, so here I can mark the update tx status to live and save. It is already planned on before. Okay. The show is already planned, so I'll create a new show. Live show. I'll create live, and this is a 1 hour show. So I have created a live show. Now when I go to planning, I search for live show, and when I plan it, I can change the tx status to live, and it will become live, and the code will be passed it on onto the automation. Now if I open schedule, I can see the tx data as this is live. And now when I copy a show from the recorded event, now you'll be able to see both of the items. So one is live and one is transmission. So Ali, this answers your question.
Brahim, you are fine with this answer or not?
Yes, but I'm wondering about the asset ID, the asset ID of the live program. It is
You're talking about the
auto-generated
media.
as live at live 001 and so on. Can I change the asset ID of the live program to be a specific ID we have, like SYYH?
Yes, Ali. That sorry, Ibrahim. That also can be done. Go to this you want as YS. You can change it. Means if you want a specific one, that can be done. If you want to,
Vishal, we can show it in the configuration, right? Instead of doing this manual.
no, Robin. He is asking. He wants a specific one. Means there are two things. You want the system to generate in incremental manner with a specific prefix. That can be done. If you want to manually enter, that can be done. So both ways it's possible, Ibrahim.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.
So
Okay, what else, Ibrahim?
if you go to content, you can create a
تمام،
for
لان احنا بصراحه الحته دي في البي تي اس يعني بنضطر ان احنا نسقط الاكواد مانوال في الاكسليه بعد ما بنخرجها.
تمام، هم هنا بيحلوها.
اه
طيب، محتاجين نقعد يا ابراهيم نحط نقط للحاجات اللي فيكس والحاجات اللي محتاجه تتعدل عشان نشير with him all the points we needed to modify at this setup. Okay.
So just a small update that he has
إيه.
modified the time to GMT. You can check in playout.
اوكي just a second.
هو بيتكلم على ايه؟ بيتكلم على البروجرام وال
غير التايم للجي ام تي في البلاي اوت. ثانيه ابص عليه بصه. مش actually the runtime clock in the play outside according to our local time in Cairo, not GMT.
Actually, I have set the GMT +3. If you want
Bhavesh,
to,
The time
you can,
now, the time now 13:58
so I guess
Cairo
Bhavesh,
local time.
you can set it to
GMT
00.
GMT 00,
We
right?
need
Okay.
we need to set it. Yes, we need to set it 10 at 10.
GMT
10:58.
Correct. So it will be GMT 00. No
Don't put
additions. Right?
GMT plus thing. Only put GMT plus 00.
Okay, I'll do that. Give me 2 minutes.
Yes. No problem, no problem. So you just share the list of to-do item
No
at our
problem,
side.
no problem,
Yeah,
guys. Yes.
yeah. Bhavesh, don't be hurry. We can do it later also.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
So share with us please the video for the graphic, and then now Team Ibrahim will start working to insert this graphic and
Sure.
see if this feature is working with them or not. And please, Ibrahim, if you have any questions, please send them directly by WhatsApp, your problem,
Yes.
and they will fix it.
Exactly.
Okay. Also, we need the record for
Okay.
the SCATI. Also, we need the record, guys, for the SCATI. So please record video for the SCATI and then send this video to us.
Yes, I will share both the recording shortly.
Okay. For now, we
Hey,
don't
by the
have
way,
any questions. We need to start working with the team. Okay, Ibrahim.
by the way, we need to ask about the record list, generating the record list. we generate the record list in our PTS through the content. How we can generate the record list through
Team,
the post
I'm sorry, team.
student.
Can I jump out? Actually, my meeting, another meeting is getting started. So, if nothing for me, Bhavesh,
Okay,
you
okay.
can take care from right.
Okay, okay, Puneet.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Vishal, I think this list you can generate it, right?
Let me check, Robin. 1 second. If it is configured in this version or not, let me check the record list. This is not configured, Robin, on this version, but yeah. So Ibrahim, if you want to generate a list of the items which needs to be recorded, so yes, that can be done.
You can share the BTS format to us, and we will see it, replicate it.
Correct.
Send them the
Okay,
record list from the
okay, I
BTS
will do.
server.
Okay.
Okay, for now we don't have any questions. So let our team start working now to exercise about the training and the online and the graphic and whatever. So tomorrow maybe we need to make some like stand up, small stand up. We don't need to take this meeting for hours. We need some questions. Ibrahim will share with you before the meeting, and then we need some answers from you when we start this meeting. Okay, to save your time and our time also.
Sure, sure.
So okay,
Ali,
we will send you. Okay.
yeah, sorry to interrupt, but Ali, one more thing which we have left, like I would like to show you the progress, like basis on our last meeting
Okay.
for the program additions. So we have given uh, the download to our development team, and they have actually started working on this. So I would like to ask my developer Dheeraj is there, so he can showcase you the progress what we are doing, so that we you can check and give us the feedback like are we on the right track.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have asked the team to work on the weekend as well to show you the little progress. So what we have done. So Dheeraj, can you share your screen? Okay, Dheeraj, you can move to the boss studio, right? So yeah, so in this, so Ali, this is our development environment. So Dheeraj, can you expand the media management? So like this, Ali, we have added one more menu. The rest of them will be hidden uh, once we phase out this development. So currently there is a one menu. There will be one menu, add program. So Dheeraj, can you click on the add program? So when you click on the add program, you get a type, Ali, like you have currently. So program, not episode. Similarly, program, game show, generic, program news, season, series like that. So Dheeraj, if you select program, program generic. So Ali, so you'll get in from a single form, you will get all the options to create multiple types of media. Like you can create program, series, seasons, and movies as well, and program without episodes. So that will be single episode.
Okay.
So
And
this
if
is the
our metadata team not insert the schedule, the season, it will be default uh, be season one.
correct. Correct. It will be default season one. So this is the module which I wanted to showcase you, that we are working on this side as well, and this is not the end. It is just the starting which we have done for this module, so that we can
تمام يا ابراهيم ولا عندك مشكلة؟
اه تمام. بس هو في جزئيه بس خاصه انت عارف عندنا البريكات اللي هي بتاعت سنعود وعودنا والحاجات دي اللي هي بيدخلها سامح. دي هل ممكن تبقى كاستمايزد، يعني يبقى احنا لو اتزنقنا في اي تايب نقدر نكريت التايب ده؟ يعني انت فاهم قصدي؟ يعني لو اتزنقت في تايب مثلا هم مش حاطينه
can we make
البريكات.
some editing at the type?
Yes, we will give you an options so that you can also create more types in this system.
Okay, perfect.
اوكي
ابراهيم تمام النقطة دي؟
اوكي تمام.
So this is just the starting. We have worked over the weekend. The development team has worked over the weekend and tried to showcase you some of the part on the Monday, so that we can align with you, like the
Thank you
team is,
very much.
and we can work on the workflow which you have given. And we are open to
Perfect,
take
perfect.
feedbacks on it, further feedbacks as well, so that we can deliver it the way you want it.
Okay, and what is the series code? This is the prefix for the code for the this series.
Correct. In case it is a in case it is a season type, then this will come. Period. If you select program, not episodes, so these things will not come. So fields which switch according to the requirement, like according to the type. So whatever will be required
Mhm.
for that type only, it will switch accordingly. But you will have only single
Okay,
interface to create all the items.
okay,
Okay. I hope we
right.
are moving
موضوع
on the right
including
track.
Perfect, perfect. Good job, by the way.
Thanks, Ali.
Okay, so we will meet tomorrow, inshallah. So now, Ibrahim, please.